Understanding the phrase, sozzled. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into a fun and informal English phrase, sozzled. If you've ever come across this word and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Sozzled is an informal, colloquial term that describes someone who is drunk or intoxicated due to the consumption of alcohol. If you imagine someone who has had one too many drinks at a party and is staggering around, you might say that they're sozzled. For example, after the party, everyone was sozzled and singing loudly. Like many slang terms, the exact origin of sozzled is not completely clear. However, it's believed to have originated in British slang in the early 20th century. The word has a playful and light-hearted tone, and is often used in casual conversations or when trying to describe someone's state without being overly formal or serious. Using sozzled in a sentence is quite straightforward since it's an adjective. Here are a few examples to help you incorporate it into your conversations. 1. He was so sozzled last night that he couldn't remember how he got home. 2. I don't want to get completely sozzled. Just a drink or two. 3. By the end of the evening, most of the guests were pretty sozzled. There you have it. Now you know what sozzled means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. English is full of colorful and playful phrases like this one, and understanding them can make conversations even more enjoyable. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, enjoy your language learning journey.